Hello together, welcome back to Rafael Cooking Style. Well, we have today the recipe for this lovely chicken on the oven. Yeah, we started with a brine, 5%. That means we had here 4 liters of water and 200 grams of salt for our 2 chickens, 4 liters water. Yeah, we are just dissolving the salt and we're gonna mix it now here. We had some hot water and we mix it with some cold water just to have cold water, yeah. So like below 30 degrees, yeah, should be. Exactly, yeah. And we are gonna place our 2 chickens here. I'm gonna add some weight on top. And the idea is that the chickens are covered completely under the water. And we are gonna leave it over the night, yeah. So I will speed this up and we'll see you in the next step. And the next day, when we are ready to prepare our chickens, we are gonna do a second step. It will be to marinate our chickens. We're gonna start removing our chickens from our brine and place it just on a tray, just like that, just to drain the water. Yeah, we don't need that water. We're gonna just reduce it at the most. Yeah. In the meantime, I got my herbs. I got oregano, pepper, curry, sweet paprika. I got some buttermilk. I got all the ingredients on the description. Yeah, but this is all the ingredients. Some garlic. I got some cardamom. I got here 1 onion and the buttermilk. We're gonna blend it all together, or not blend it. You're gonna mix it all together in our bowl. We're gonna prepare our marinade. This is our paprika. This is our cardamom, and now it's coming curry or curcuma, sorry, garlic. That is oregano, and this is rosemary or thyme. Rosemary, I guess. I need to check. I don't remember exactly. Yeah, and this is a blended half an onion, and this is our marinade. This will be our core for our chickens. Yeah, there's all the taste, as we already add salt in the brine, so we don't need any extra salt in the marinade. Yeah. Right now, your goal is that the marinade goes all along the chicken, everywhere, every place. You have to massage the chicken that it gets the marinade. Yeah. You can separate the skin, of course. It will also have the marinade direct to the meat we're gonna eat. Yeah, the meat is the one we need the flavor on. So just like you see everywhere in the thick, in the thumb, everywhere, the breast, I'm pulling, I'm pressing, and I'm trying that the marinade goes everywhere in our chicken. And after that, I will just vacuum it, because I'm doing it tomorrow. So I will vacuum it, which will concentrate our flavors, yeah, in the chickens. That's the idea of this step. Yeah, we'll concentrate because the vacuum process just let the process be faster. And I will see you tomorrow. Very important, so that you don't have a pain while vacuuming. Keep this part always clean, yeah. Otherwise, you will have hard times while vacuuming, yeah. So no, we're ready here, and as I said, I'll see you tomorrow. At this point, I bake our chickens for around 90 minutes or until the breath got till 60 degrees. And now I just painting it, let it cool down a little bit, and they will be back to the oven for roasting them. At this time you will paint your chickens every 5 minutes, and you heat up the oven around 220, and this is what you will get as a result. I hope you like it, enjoy it.